Hi, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to show you today how I made this Krispy Kreme princess theme donut wall for my daughter's 18th birthday party. To make the donut wall, I used a pegboard. It has 6mm wide holes in it. The size of the board is dependent on how many donuts you'd like it to accommodate. I purchased some pink paint and I also purchased this large tiara from one of my local stores. The tiara was designed to hang on the wall, so therefore it was perfect to sit just above my donut wall. I gave my pegboard 2 coats of paint. The next step was to make the pegs. The cake dowels that I purchased are the plastic clear ones, and they are the perfect size for this pegboard. They can be cut easily with a set of cutters. I needed 99 pegs for my donut wall. I wanted to hang my pegboard on the wall with the donuts, so I didn't want to damage the wall. The command strips were perfect for this. I used loads. The pegboard is quite heavy and even heavier once the donuts are on, so I didn't want to chance it falling off the wall. My board is on the wall and now it's time to add the donuts. I contacted my local Krispy Kreme Doughnut store and asked them if I could have 99 donuts, all with holes in, because I needed them to hang on the pegs. The donut wall was a fantastic success. After all, who doesn't like donuts? I hope you've enjoyed watching today. If you have, please hit the like button. If you would like to be kept up to date with further updates, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.